The Turboforte Lung Physio comes in a box. When you take the device out of the box for the first time, you will find it is wrapped in hygienic plastic wrapping. You will need to remove the hygienic plastic wrapping before use. The Turboforte Lung Physio consists of 4 parts. Screw-on clear cap, stainless steel ball, inner clear cone, blue pipe body. Turboforte Lung Physio is not an inhaler. You exhale into the device. Blow into the device as you would a balloon. Generally, for optimum results, use at least twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes each session. Results will improve with practice. The correct use of Turboforte involves 2 stages. Stage 1, mucus loosening and mobilization stage. Stage 2, coughing and mucus elimination stage. Stage 1, mucus loosening and mobilization stage. Sit in an upright position, not slouching, with head tilted slightly to open up the airways. Have some tissues and a glass of water handy. Before placing the device in your mouth, take a deep breath, filling your lungs to 3/4 capacity and holding your breath for 3 seconds. Place the device into your mouth with the clear cap facing up. Blow into the device at a reasonably fast but not too forceful speed. It may help if you hold your cheeks stiff with your thumb and forefinger. As you blow, exhale, into the device, you will feel a fluttering sensation in your chest. You can experiment by adjusting the angle of the device slightly up or down until you find the position that gives you maximum flutter effect. At this stage, try not to cough. Repeat steps 1 to 4 between 5 to 10 times. Stage 2, coughing and mucus elimination stage. This time, take a full deep breath, completely filling your lungs to maximum capacity, and hold your breath for 3 seconds. Place the device into your mouth with the clear cap facing up. Blow into the device more forcefully than before, completely emptying your lungs. Remember to try to keep your cheeks stiff. This will move the mucus up, ready to be eliminated. Initiate a cough or a series of coughs or huff cough to bring the mucus up, to be discarded into a tissue. Repeat steps 1 to 4 as necessary. You may not get it right with the first few attempts, but your results will improve with practice. Clean the Turboforte Lung Physio after each session and keep in a clean, dry location. Keep out of reach of children. Note, if you feel a little lightheaded at any time during this process, relax and take a break, breathing normally until the lightheaded feeling passes. Do not overexert or push yourself too far.